Have you ever wondered about a galaxy where laughter is the most powerful force? Welcome to the Giggle Galaxy, a magical place where joyous giggles echo among the stars and every day is a new adventure filled with laughter and fun. Meet Sparkle, a little star who lives in the heart of the Giggle Galaxy. Sparkle has a mission: to spread laughter to every corner of the universe. One day, Sparkle meets a mischievous comet named Chuckle, known for his love of pranks. Instead of being upset, Sparkle turns Chuckle's pranks into games, creating laughter that reverberates throughout the galaxy. They play hide and giggle in nebulae, tag with asteroids, and even hold a cosmic dance-off with the planets. The laughter from Sparkle and Chuckle's adventures begins to spread like stardust. Stars, moons, and comets from different galaxies start joining the fun, making the Giggle Galaxy a sensation across the cosmos. Beings of all shapes and sizes come together, sharing in the universal language of laughter. The infectious laughter eventually reaches a distant planet called Earth. Children from all corners of the globe tune into the cosmic laughter broadcasts, making the Giggle Galaxy a playground and bedroom sensation. The laughter brings joy, creating a ripple effect of kindness and understanding. Kids even start organizing giggle challenges to share their most contagious laughs, spreading happiness within their communities. Back in the Giggle Galaxy, Sparkle and Chuckle, delighted by the positive impact of their laughter, decide to host a Grand Giggle Gala, a celestial event where laughter is celebrated across galaxies. The stars twinkle brighter, the moons perform joyful ballets, and the comets create dazzling displays of laughter in the cosmic sky. It's a spectacular sight that warms hearts across the universe. The Giggle Galaxy continues to be a sensation, not just in space, but also on Earth. The laughter from the Giggle Galaxy becomes a beacon of joy, reminding us all of the power of shared laughter and the importance of spreading kindness. The story of Sparkle and Chuckle in the Giggle Galaxy proves that laughter truly is the best medicine, even if it comes from a galaxy far, far away.